Welcome back to the Unit 9 channel. Another day on the scrap 13. We'll call it for now because it's scrap. At the minute, it's not even worth its weight in metal. Well, there's hardly any fucking metal there. So this morning, we come in, fresh as a fucking daisy. Kieran picks up a grinder, attacks the sill. Turns out it's full of filler, as you can see. I will bring you in for a closer look in a minute. Yeah, you decided to paint the workshop white, didn't you? With filler dust.
That's just intrigued.
We also have peeled away the sill from the inner sill, and it's already had an inner sill put in and an outer sill on the top, and it is a shit job.
Rotten.
Yeah, it's rotten as well. And then you done a bit on the back as well, didn't you, this morning?
Yeah.
And peeled some more patchwork away and found some more holes, would you believe it? So, yeah, today we're just going to get the rest of it all ground back to bare metal so we can see what we're working with. Ken's also spent loads of money. Why don't you tell them what you bought?
Seals.
Yeah.
Can't even remember now.
Chassis extension.
Oh yeah, chassis extension for that side.
Over fenders.
Over fenders. Rear pockets.
Oh, and yeah, rear pockets as well.
Plenty of welding.
And then obviously I've still got a spare 33 subframe, well, full rear end for a 33. So it's looking like it's going to go GK Tech off-centre bushes. Then we'll run the spare 33 rear end on this.
Stronger.
Yeah. Righto, let's go. So this just decided to explode. I don't know if you can see that. Whoop.
You're sticking out my fucking leg.
All over my fucking legs. Bastard. And it exploded all over Kieran as well. So, yeah. I can guarantee when... Ah, fuck. Bastard. Guarantee. Ow. Ow. Ow.
Anyone want to buy an S13?
Ow.
Free to go down.
I feel like a porcupine.
Nose is running like my tears.
Because you bought a rotten car.
Yeah.
Exactly. I think I've swept up like 40% of this motor.
Rotten. It's even out the patch there, isn't it?
Oh. It's had patches all over the shop, mate. This car is like 90% patchwork. Do you want to know how to fix it? Go buy some VSKS and just slap them on. Don't worry about the
Yeah,
rust.
and then sell the whole car with them on.
Yeah. Like a hot boy, rust boy. They like skin by the looks of things. Get that sitting nice and flush. You're currently looking through to the boot, to the rear glass, which is always good.
Oh god.
Yeah, it's had a plate put in and it's pigeon shit inside. Inside the boot.
Ah. Fucking hell, everything's sharp.
Have you had a tetanus?
Don't know, probably not.
Oh, bugger.
Oh, I don't have to carry on right, can't I?
I don't know. I don't know. You join us on a Sunday morning, nice and early. Job for today is take the old timber bed off, isn't it, but?
Yeah.
So enthusiastic. Kev's been off poorly all week, hasn't he? So you dragged him out of bed this morning.
Yeah, lazy bastard.
He's got to go back to work, hasn't he?
Yeah.
Tomorrow. So we've unbolted it off the chassis and now currently trying to get the tipper bed back down, but we stripped all the wires out of it and need a battery. Because every single battery in this place loses its charge within 2 minutes, apparently.
There, put a strap on it and give it a tug.
Strap on.
Strap it on, sort of connect. Make sure it's out of gear, I'll put the phone in the off.
Got no power. Are you sure they're right?
You got it?
Got no power.
They just cranked over.
They're not got no oomph in that battery. Telling you.
Fuck me, how much did it turn over?
Oh dear.
Get the fucking battery off of Fabio. Fuck my life. Mate.
Oh, yeah. Go on in.
Backflip! Backflip!
Where's that 10 mil you had, you knobhead? Out on my track? Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, fuck me. Useless. He'd search around for a 10. There's one there, where I told him to start off with. Got one. Penis.
Oh, Fabia's everywhere. If you can see down there, Keane crashed into this pile of sand this morning. Thought it'd be funny. Oh, look at that, mechanicking. Whoa. Are you qualified, sir?
No. Actually, yeah, I am.
On a lorry, this isn't a lorry though, sir. Filters for days, Bob. God, you're like a man on a fucking mission. I can barely keep up with you.
Both together. Trying to think of the power of the fucking scooter.
Maybe it in the battery then.
Stick both of them on. Put them both out. And give it more turning power there.
Boy.
Got it running. Fuck, it was a nightmare. Done everything, done all of it.
What have we got that I can sit on?
Pulled all the fucking fuses out, checked
What
the
have we got that I
fuses,
can
changed
sit
the
on?
relays, everything like that. And there was one fuse box, one fuse out the fuse box that weren't quite connected properly.
Yeah, it'll probably
What a
arc out
fucking
the fucking
nightmare.
battery. Fuck, I didn't drink coffee. I can't fucking reach the pedals, man. Can you fold that mirror out, please?
Yeah. Oh, we've got cam transit now by the sound of it.
Yeah, boy.
Whoop. What?
They're very comfortable.
Well, this is charging your ass. You look like you're just about to do a drag race or something. What you running underneath there, man?
2.4.
Diesel.
Blap, 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 blap.
Oh, God. I'll be back. Do you reckon you'll be able to get it round that way a bit?
You want to strap it to that?
Yeah, pretty much.
The fucking van's not further enough back. Okay.
So,
Yeah.
we were going to take this off with a digger,
Yeah.
but it's just easier. I think you can kind of guess what's happening. So we're going to drive the van forward and pull the bed off.
With a point.
Alright.
But
baby.
problem is, we
Right.
don't know how far the van's
Then
going to
what?
get to go forward.
Just go fucking slow. Come out here and just go slow. So you want to put it to the cab in the water. Really slow here.
Really fast?
Slow. What? That should be coming off of there. You definitely ain't done, innit?
I don't know. What's he doing?
I don't know, he said he's getting a bit of wood.
Bit of wood.
Yeah,
Yeah, wood.
bit of wood. If I had it my way, it'd have just got sent. Just make the van do wheelies. What?
Hold it there. Hold it. Keep going, keep going. Hang on. Not quite getting it, are you? Give back a bit more. Hold it there. Gently. Oh, nice, slowly. Our mate, Frank, is gone.
There we go.
Oh, mate, fucking hell, dog, with it. Piggy Tim, you don't want to put it through the fucking greenhouse now, do we? No.
Whichever way you go, this is not going to end well. He's broke the fucking glass now because the rest of let the fucking body's gone through it completely.
Run on for a long time. Run on for a long time. Run on for a long time. Sooner or later they'll cut you down.
Another episode done. Another weekend down. So as you see, we ground down the 30.
Found more rolls.
Found, yeah. More than holes, mate. More than holes.
That's true.
And then,
Trenches.
yeah. And then you spent loads of money, didn't you, bud?
Yeah.
So,
Hopefully it'll be here next weekend.
fresh parts. Talking of next weekend, we've got a couple of jobs on. I don't know if we can film them or not. If we can, I'll film them. If we can't, then there may not be an episode on Tuesday next week. So apologies for that. But in the second part of this video, you see us take the bed off the transit, which was a funny old fucking thing. And then you're going to crack on with this, aren't you, Bert?
Yeah, bit both. Do a bit of both of them.
What, a bit of the 30?
Yeah.
My car is never getting done now.
Oh.
Yeah, it will. He's just going to go like this, walk over here, walk over here.
I'm going to do a bit of this one, get sexually frustrated with this one, and I'm going to go and have a bit of loving with this one.
Yeah, but I think, in general, he's going to hate me saying this. That's more solid than this is, at the minute.
No, she's going to give me loving, this is giving me pain.
Yeah,
This
but
one.
me and Kieran kicked the seals through it.
Yeah, I know that, I've got some of them,
See?
some of them coming.
It sheds all over the floor.
That's fine, that's all good, that is. More like that gets better it is for me.
Well,
I could have this done in, I could have all the welding done in probably a weekend. This, 10 years down the line. Shouldn't take long. It
10
wouldn't take
years.
long.
Does anyone want to buy an S13? 10 years.
no.
I'll be honest, I don't think we've done bad with it really.
No, yeah.
Considering you didn't even have nothing, you could actually hang the car on at the start. Didn't have nothing, did you? You've got
True.
a floor pan, I've got to now finish and seam properly. Now I can see what I'm doing. Seam the chassis all up, finish welding it all up, grind it all back, smooth it all in so you can't see it. So it don't look like someone's been across it with a fucking load of fucking pigeon shit. Made a lovely job of it, make it look nice, sweet,
And no filler.
and no fucking filler. Or Magic Mike. All in it.
Could have a little bit of filler.
No.
It wouldn't be a lot of filler work at all when I'm done. I've just got to weld it,
Hurry up
grind
and
it,
fucking do it.
smooth
Yeah.
Huh?
Hurry up and fucking do it, yeah.
Yeah, but your seals and everything come next week, so we can always offer them up next weekend. Because they need sorting, definitely.
Oh, fuck yeah. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. So, yeah, thanks for watching again. Yeah, that's the end of this one. Bye.